Hi everyone, today I'm gonna do another project of my 100 Python project challenge, and in this project we will do a adventure game. Let's explain our project. First, we will create a class named adventure game, and of course we should create init function which includes all of our variables. Player's words, which will start with 0, player HP, player damage, player gold, slime HP, slime damage, dragon HP, and dragon damage. Here we are creating a menu which will be the main loop of our game. And in this menu, we are creating an infinite while loop. Here we are giving three choices to user: go to shop, go to cape or quit, and we are printing, of course, good luck with monsters and gold of player. If player choose one, we are creating a menu here which shows buy, sell or return. If user choose first choice, we are calling buy shop function inside of our class. By the way, if you wanna call a function inside of class in the class, then you should use self variable here. For example, if I wanna call by shop, then I should write self.byShop function like this. And if user wanna sell, then we are calling sell shop function. And if user wanna return, then we are calling continue, which will return to loop and call our menu here again. If user choose to, then we are asking which monster do you wanna fight. You can fight, player can fight with slime or dragon. First, it should player should fight with slime because my game logic is first we will farm slime, then we will go for dragon. If monster num is 1, user choose fight with slime, then we are asking which action you wanna do. And if user choose 1, we are calling slime attack function and choose to run slime function. If monster number is 2, number is dragon, then we are asking again, do you wanna attack or run? If player choose attack, then we are calling dragon attack, and if user choose 2, we are calling run dragon function. And if user choose 3, we are just quitting, printing game over and quit. Of course, we are breaking the loop, and if we break the while loop, then game is done. Our buy shop function works like this. If user has the first word, then he can buy second sword. For example, you can't buy silver sword before buying the wooden sword. If user has the our first sword, sorry, if user comes to shop first time, we are checking that here. If player's word is 0, then we are showing this menu here. And if user has more than 20 gold and sword num is worth 1, yeah, if user choose the first word and has more gold than 20, we are printing you got wooden sword, and we are increasing damage of player. We are decreasing gold of player, and we are changing sword self.player's word 0 with 1. And if user try to choose silver, iron, and shield, then we are saying you should buy the wooden sword first, and if user doesn't have enough gold, we are printing you don't have enough gold. And this LF does the same thing for the second sword. This one does the third sword, and this one does for the fourth sword. Now we have a sell shop function. I add this function because if user has a silver sword, why would need the wooden sword? If you buy a sword, you are already increasing your damage. So if you have the silver sword and you don't need the wooden sword, if user choose to sell first sword, I mean wooden sword, and of course we should check user has the other sword, for example, silver sword or iron sword, we are checking that here, then you can solve the wooden sword because if you don't have any other swords, then you can't sell your wooden sword. We are decreasing damage 20. Uh, why I'm decreasing damage of player? I don't know. I thought that my logic was if you buy sword and increase your damage, then you you got the damage, so you shouldn't decrease the damage because if you buy if you buy that sword, that damage increase here. For example, it increased 20 damage here. It should be permanent, or you should decrease when you use sword. I mean, if you don't use wooden sword, then damage should be decreased. I couldn't decide this, which one would not make more sense, but you could write in comments. I don't know about this. I thought this. I couldn't decide. Whatever. And as you can see, you can solve everything here. You can sell your shield, your wooden sword, your silver sword, your iron sword, anything. And here we are printing. Are you sure that you have that this words and this conditions happens when user choose a different number? By the way, logic here goes again step by step, so I should user has to because user has to buy everything one by one. You can't buy wood, you can't buy silver before buying wooden. So I'm checking here one by one here too. Now we have slime attack function. First it prints player attack slime, then it decrease HP of slime by player damage, and if slime is dead, it adds 10 golds to player and it heals our player. And of course, it updates the HP of slime. Why it heals player? Because slime is an infinite loop. You should farm with slime. And for infinite farm loop, I should heal player because I don't have any other heal options. Maybe, and it could be a good idea too. For example, adding heal potions or different things. But here now, for now, my code works like this. Then it returns to menu, of course. While fighting with slime, we are seeing our player's HP, slime's HP, and we are printing slime attacks. Then we are decreasing HP of our player. And if our player is dead, we are printing you are dead, you died, and game over. Then we are exiting. And for finally, we are printing player HP and slime HP again. Now we have run slime function which helps you to escape from slime, but it has 50% chance. It choose random integer between 1 and 2 f, and if number is 1, you cannot escape and you are getting damage. But if you can escape, then it prints you escape successfully. And of course, we are printing HP of player and slime every time because we should know what HP we have and what HP slime has. Now we have dragon attack function. It attacks the dragon, and if you can kill the dragon, then it prints the winner is the adventurer, and then it exits. Exit, did I define exit here? No, exit is a full function of Python, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, as I expected, it's a default function. It just finish. It just exists. First, I thought I defined a specific function, but I'm using default one of Python. Now, if we are we can kill the dragon and we are printing the winner is adventure and we are exiting, then we are showing our HP and dragon HP again. Then we are printing dragon attacks. This work like this. If user can kill the dragon, then we are stopping here and we are not showing HP of player or dragon. But if user cannot kill the dragon, then we are showing HP of player and HP of dragon. Here we are decreasing HP of player. We are decreasing damage of dragon from the HP of player. And if player is dead, we are printing you died, game over, and we are exiting. And for the final part, we are printing HP of player and dragon again. And dragon run function, which is similar to slime run function. We are choosing a random bit number between 1 and 2, and if number is 1, we can't escape, and we are getting damage from dragon. And if it's otherwise, if it's 2, then we are printing your escape successfully. And we are printing player HP and dragon HP again. And I realized that we are not checking for for example, if user choose a something not integer here or another menus in another menus, we are not checking for that and we can get error because of that. Let's show what I mean. For example, if no, I didn't touch there. If I print, as you can see, if I print E letter here, it gives me a value error. We can add error fix in here. I'm not gonna do it because this is already a long video, but you can add that. And here we are calling our game class and game menu of our game, sorry, menu function of our adventure game class. And our game starts. Let's play a little bit. I wanna go to game, I wanna fight with slime, I wanna attack, and I wanna go to cave again. I wanna go to slime and I wanna attack again. I realized that I every time should go to cave to kill that slime. It will be like this. Yep. Finally, I was able to kill the slime, but we can fix that part too. We can. Where is that code? Let me see. And as you can see, in slime, not in slime attack. Where is my attack function? Yep, here. After attacking the slime, our game returns to menu, and here we are calling the menu, but that causes a infinite loop. I mean, every time I wanna attack slime, I'm going everything again. I'm going to cave again, then attacking again. I can fix that. I mean, you can. I'm not gonna fix it right now, but you can fix that logic too. So I guess that's it for this project. We will meet again in next project. See you later, guys.